Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. During this lockdown, most of us were doing all our household chores by ourselves. Keeping all the areas at home clean all the time was a challenge. But we all found some shortcuts or developed habits to maintain cleanliness. The same goes for the kitchen, which always stays one of the most used area in the entire house. By following few cleaning and organizing habits, I kept my sane during this lockdown. 2 years back, I made a video on 22 habits to keep the kitchen clean, which is one of the most popular video on our channel. Today's video is the part 2 of that. You can watch that video by clicking the link in the I button or from the description box. Again, I would like to reiterate that these habits are not new or unique and may be known to all of us. These are the habits we usually forget to follow, which leads to messy and unorganized kitchen. Now, let's start the video. Usually all Indian kitchens have this spice container to store daily spices for easy access. Generally after few days, the container may suffer spills needing frequent cleaning. To keep the container clean, lay 2 paper towels at the bottom like this. Now the spice container will stay clean for longer. If there is a spill, they will fall on the paper towel, which is easy to remove. Replace them on requirement basis. Same technique can help to keep onion and potatoes trolley clean. Onion and garlic skin keep detaching and make the float messy. To keep it clean, lay a paper towel on the trolley and then store onion, potatoes and garlic. Alternatively, you can use newspaper or mat also. Whenever we wash regular utensils, we usually stack them in the rack. But when we wash glassware or chinaware, we just keep them upside down on the countertop for water to drain. Due to that, the countertop may get stains, which ruins its looks. Use this kind of water-soaking cushion mats which help soaking the excess water and keep them safe from any accidental mishandling. Also, always place a mat under the dish rack for protecting the countertop from draining water. Whenever you finish cooking, just spray the countertop and cooktop with the cleaning solution and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. The resting solution will help weaken the stubborn stains and grease. One can finish the meal and then come back for cleaning. Now when you will start cleaning, it will be a smooth task without much effort and scrubbing, which will also save your time on cleaning. The best solution for kitchen is 1/4 part dish liquid and 3/4 part water. Nothing fancy required. Dish liquid is a great degreaser and best for kitchen cleaning. Post cooking, while cleaning the kitchen, always clean the chimney from outside first. Oil and grease get collected here. Just take a tissue or cloth and wipe it from outside every day. This practice will keep your chimney clean for longer and it will not require deep cleaning frequently. Also, this practice should be followed before cleaning the cooktop to avoid dropping the mess on cleaned one. For a smooth kitchen routine, one should have a properly arranged and organized pantry. And to organize pantry, always use uniform containers. Clear airtight containers are the best choice so that some part of its content is visible. One may use containers as per their choice, such as glass, steel or food-grade Tupperware. Tupperware containers are designed smartly to get fit even in smaller cabinets. Their sleek shape makes them look beautiful. And due to uniformity present in all the containers, they can be easily stacked on one above. Different sizes of containers still have the common lids, which is a great feature, because after cleaning or changing the box, you don't have to match the lids anymore. These containers are made of high quality material which make them last for years and perfect choice for all the households. To keep the roaches away, always use closed bins, and this is a must for wet waste. This will also keep the odor away from food waste. Use a cover to store the garbage to keep the bin clean. I would suggest you to use these green garbage bags which are biodegradable and environment friendly. Also, for extra protection from pests, just tie the bag after winding up the kitchen for the day and then close the lid. All the utensils cleaning tools like sponge, scrub, metal scrub, etc. get dirty over a period of time due to minute food particles getting stuck and may lead to bad smell. Disinfecting them once in a while is very important, and for that just dip them in hot boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes and leave them to dry. Occasional sun drying is also recommended. Oil storing trolley, rack or tray may get greasy and stained within few days and therefore require frequent cleaning. Lay a liner on the tray to avoid oil stains. These liners are easily washable. Same goes for the trolley or drawer. Use anti-slip liners at the bottom to avoid stains. This liner also prevents items moving from their place and keep them intact while opening the drawer. Liners can be easily removed after getting dirty and then cleaned with simple dishwashing liquid. The most important and frequently used appliance of every kitchen is a fridge. If not kept properly, it can become a dump yard of all the leftover and spillages, which can make it smell bad. Use liners or easily available dining mats to protect the shelves from spillages. I've been using them for years and they don't affect the cooling of the fridge as such. Use airtight containers instead of open wide bowls to store the leftover food and meal prep ingredients. By doing this, container can be stacked easily, which ensures more space in the fridge. Food in the line of sight prompts usage and avoids food wastage. Different sizes of Tupperware airtight containers are best for keeping the fridge organized and help to keep the food fresh for long. Links to all the Tupperware collection are provided in the description box. Some spices are used frequently and some occasionally. In order to prevent the occasional spices getting spoiled, we all usually store them in the freezer like this. But whenever they are required, especially at the busy cooking time, accessing one spice may lead to the mess. To avoid messing the freezer, always close the open boxes with the help of rubber band like this. Or transfer the spices in the small spice containers and label them. This will help to keep your freezer organized and clean all the time. If you use your countertop to store items like water bottles, cutlery, oil dispenser, etc., then do not keep them directly on the countertop. Keeping them directly on the countertop will make the space look cluttered. Sometimes there can be stubborn stains left by those articles. Also, cleaning the countertop will be time consuming. By using baskets or tray, it is efficient to keep the multiple items organized in one place. It saves time while cleaning. One just needs to ship the whole bunch instead of individual items. Of course, the added benefit of an eye-appealing set of organized items comes along. While cooking, ladles and spatulas are often used to stir the food. And many of us just keep them directly on the gas stove or on the countertop after use. This may cause stubborn stains and cleaning becomes a special task. To avoid that, use this kind of spoon rester to keep the used ladle. Alternatively, one can use a regular chopping board or plate to keep the multiple spoons. This ensures the maximum protection and keeps your working area clean. None of us for sure like to see our kadhais, pots and pans like this, totally grossed in oil or burnt from the bottom after cooking. They are time consuming and hard to clean. The best and easy way to clean is to fill them with 3/4 part water and a spoon of dish liquid in it. Stir it a bit and put the kadhai on gas to heat the solution. Once start boiling, keep the gas on medium flame for 5 minutes. Switch off the flame and throw the solution. See, it is almost clean and just need a quick soft scrubbing and then rinsing. Kadhai is clean without much hard scrubbing and effort. Many of us clean our utensils once in a day due to busy working schedule or cause house help comes only in the morning. Sink keeps piling up with dirty dishes, which makes the kitchen or utility area look messy and smell bad. Also, open dirty dishes are big invitation to unwanted guests. To avoid that, one can use this kind of big container to keep the dirty dishes after removing the food waste and mild rinsing. And keep the cover closed to avoid smell and pests. Also, by keeping the sink clean and empty, next day performing the chores will be easier. One can keep this container under the sink as well if space permits. If you have any tips to keep the kitchen clean and organized, then do share with us in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.